welcome back. Continuing to work on Fairyland. Last time we worked on our wind and rain bridge. We put all our railings on, the paper boardwalk, the legs. We built our little office, which has our desk and an end table, a chair, and our bookcase and a plant in here. We can light that up. Looks really cute. Put some of our little bead lanterns on and our sign and a roof. And we glued our wires to the back. And we'll continue on with the music box. My kit did come with the music box. They said this is an upgrade. You may not have this. This is the clockwork movement, one piece. And here's a little baggie here with the handle, the turn handle, which is this, and 3 screws, and they provided a little screwdriver for these. And we need board A09. That's in this bag. This is A09. You want this wavy side to the left. You want your music box facing this way. The barrel here and the metal tingy things here. And this screw on the bottom goes in this big hole. And these screw holes in the music box, once you flip it, will line up with these holes in the back. These screws go in those holes. There's 3 of them. And your music box turning knob goes on that screw. Next, we want A08. We check on here. A08 is a 9 by 2.4 by 0.3 centimeter piece. Which would be this piece, 9 by 2.4. Then we need A10, which is same shape as we have here, but no holes in it. So that's 10. And we need A26-18. Which is on A26, one of 3. A26-18 is here. We need to have our music box and A09 there, and this goes on top, plush. And then we put a 10 on top of that. Fold a piece of paper towel and stick it in there. There's nothing to hold this apart, but there is a gap. They have the extra hanging off the bottom here. And that's our music box. Thanks for watching. See you next time.